So I'm pretty sure capsule wardrobes just scratched that itch in my brain, which is perfectionism. So today I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate capsule wardrobe because I'm traveling for 7 weeks and I need to fit everything in a backpack. No matter how long I travel for, I usually always take a backpack because it's easier. You don't have to pay all the fees at the airport for checking it in, and I just love a good puzzle. And I'm so excited today because I will be packing my brand new backpack that I got for my birthday. So ignore my pajamas, but this is my old backpack. The Osprey, I think it's like the Far Point. It's done me good for the last 8 years. It has this one pocket here, this zip pocket, and then this one in the front. But who needs her? Because I have got this beauty, which is my new backpack that is kind of full of dust from my carpet on the floor. But this backpack is the Cotopaxi Del Dia 42 liter, I believe. And my boyfriend, he has this backpack, but in a different color because they all come in totally different, unique colors. And I've been obsessing over it for the past few years. So I've wanted one for so long. I couldn't justify it because I already had the other backpack, but it's just been my birthday and he got one for my birthday. And this is the one I picked. I kind of wanted one with a lot of bright colors, but this one's gonna be more practical and it was the only one in the store that I liked. And it fits so well. It is a carry-on size, so I can take it on the plane. Now you're probably thinking, wow, that's just another backpack, but this shit has so many awesome pockets and I'm obsessed. So inside the backpack, we got these pockets. You got a whole big pocket here. You got a whole pocket here, inside here, plus a strap, which is nicely pink. This pocket in here, this pocket here, as well as this, which is a weather protective like bag thing. You'll notice that all the zips and everything, all different colors. Amazing. If you go to the front, we got a pocket at the top. Look at it, so much room. I could put shoes in here. Then if I flip it to the side, we've got this side pocket that goes to the back of the bag, and we have a laptop case, etc. So I think I'm in love. Step 1, give yourself a vibe. So I filmed this whole video yesterday without a plan and it was a disaster. I had a tantrum. The bags under my eyes are from yesterday, staying up till 2 a.m. I grabbed clothes willy-nilly, didn't really know what I really wanted out of my travel wardrobe. Obviously I got a lot of cool clothes, but I can't take them all. So you need to have kind of a vibe, an idea of what you need to bring. So I present to you Pinterest. Yay! This got me out of my rut of my tantrum yesterday when I was like, I just need to pinpoint what I need to bring. So I made a little travel outfit inspo thingy and I am back on track. So I suggest you go onto Pinterest or just like look at your past Instagram photos or have a think of what exactly you want out of your outfits. Everybody's different, every trip is different, and you need to pinpoint what are you going to be doing on that trip. Going to be lots of exercise. Do you need like hiking clothes? Is it a business trip? Do you need fancy clothes? Or if you're like me, you're going kind of to a lot of cities and you want to wear cool outfits to look cool in Instagram posts / going to music festivals, etc. I don't know how I'm going to tie all that in, but we're going to try today. I can literally see the bags under my eyes. Alright, time to chuck these on. The real ones know this is my look. I'm like the Casey Neistat of the small niche Doc Marten obsessed part of the internet. Step 2, grab all the clothes that fit in your vision. I have so many clothes in here that are super cute like this, but I have to think about things that I'm going to be excited to wear every single day, so they don't make the cut. Step 3, we got to try them all on. So we want to see what works together, what doesn't, try it on, see if we still love wearing it. Also, we want to consider, is it hard to wash? Is it too bulky for your bag? Or would you probably buy this if you found it thrifting? Because if it's a yes, then maybe don't even bring it because you might thrift it while you're away. I personally have already created a list on my phone of things I want to thrift while I'm away. One being overalls, which is always the plan when I'm thrifting. A long denim skirt, a cool cardigan, a 90s dress, and obviously some docs. So I'm considering not bringing these overalls or these overalls because I just know I'm going to be tempted if I see any cool overalls while I'm overseas. I would love to find some that are like a darker blue, and yeah, these ones are kind of falling apart. Although they're so comfy and I literally wear them every day, so gotta toss these up. So this is a really cool set because I would have a jacket plus jeans. But the thing is, I pretty much wear this to work every single day. So I kind of want to mix it up a little bit. I just don't enjoy wearing these pants without the jacket as much. So let's try it with a cardigan. I think I've got another set that I would rather do maybe. I will see. I'm not gonna lie, it does look very cute. Am I changing up my plans from yesterday? Maybe I am. Red is trending, but I think I'm going to cut this because it's just gonna take up too much room. Oh, this is also really cool. Why does everything have to be cool? I literally just got these jeans yesterday from Gander, and that was throwing me off the other jeans because when you get something new, you want to bring it with you. But it is a risk because they are a total different kind of jean that I'm not used to. They barely touch the belly button. They're pretty long, so I don't even know if I can wear them with these sandals, if I bring these sandals. They're really cool and like fashiony. This top together with it, such a vibe. Again, the cardigan, I think I'm pretty sold on the cardigan because I'm trying to style it with every single outfit. Is this a look? I think it looks really cool with this jacket. What do we think? So I recently got sent this set from Gander and I'm very much considering taking it. But now that I'm remembering my denim set, I might do that. But this is just cool for something different. The jacket could be longer, but it's something cool instead of having denim, double denim, which is what everyone's doing around the world right now, which I have been doing forever. My other slight issue with it is I don't know if I can do the green on green, but maybe it does look cute. I'm not gonna lie, it is a vibe. I also wasn't sure if this red top would work, but I think it does. I think even though it looks like Christmas, it does look cute. And my boyfriend kept telling me I kept wearing the same thing all the time, so maybe I do need to mix it up. This skirt is an automatic yes because I have a matching vest top and it's just packed so small. So this dress is very cute, but I'm worried about ruining it. Also, it's pretty see-through, so I don't know if it's super versatile. Like, this looks fairly cute. The only thing is, I just know if I see some cute 90s dresses, I'm gonna want to buy them, so I don't really need to take too many dresses because I feel like I'm gonna find some. I also think it looks equally as cute with this. Do I need it? I don't know. My boyfriend said I look like a librarian yesterday. It does roll up pretty small though, and it doesn't crinkle. I also got this really cool set which would add a very cool pop of color, but I think I'm gonna say no because I really only want it for the top. I think the top would go well with the green pants and everything, but I found this last time I was in the UK and I think I can find other cool stuff too. Now, because I'm going to a music festival, there's a lot of random extra items too. These pants, which I think are actually good for the day-to-day, they roll it really small, although I could also go with these pants, but they look a little bit more pajama-y. And yeah, I also got this atrocity, this random fisherman's vest thing, which I think I'm going to put in the bottom of my bag to wear at Glasgow so I don't have to take a bag. It's really random and I'm probably never going to wear it the whole trip. It looks so good with this hat. Hello. Total fisherman here. I got the fisherman sandals, which I'm also trying on with all these outfits because I'm undecided whether I want these or my other sandals. It's a look. I think I've made it day-to-day appropriate. This is pretty cute, right? Like, imagine this. And we're doing an ultimate capsule wardrobe here. I told you everything's going to go together even if it's crazy. Oh my gosh. Do I need anything else? I also have this dress, which I like to take everywhere with me, and my boyfriend is honestly like, please do not take that gingham dress. We have so many photos in it and we need photos in something else. I was gonna bring it because it's a good layering piece, but now that I'm thinking, these pants, they fit the black and white bill. So I think I'm just gonna go these pants and not go this, even though I'm crying inside because of all the cute outfits I could do. Also, imagine if I found like a denim maxi skirt. This whole outfit would look super cool. Is there anything else I have not tried on the rack? There is this skirt, which is super cute. I'll try her on. So it's very cute, as you can see, but I do like the other one, the longer one, a bit better because it looks better with my black Jadens, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take. Now, it's still kind of cute. It just gives me witch vibes. I don't like that it meets exactly there. And I'm actually not gonna lie to you, I did get new Jadens literally like 2 weeks ago and I haven't worn them in. I got them off Depop, but they're like pretty fresh looking. I had to go half a size up because my other ones were just hurting so much and I didn't know what to do. So I'm selling those and I got these. So this is probably such a risky move to bring them, but the only reason I'm bringing these and not these, because these are like my absolute dream favorite shoe ever, is because I'm gonna need a boot at Glasgow. I have to wear a boot. Plus I put my orthotics in these, so they should be more comfortable. These just will not cut it at a music festival in my opinion. So we're gonna have to boot it, and I think these go with most items. I probably wouldn't wear it with this dress, but yeah. I think we're gonna have to go these, hopefully not kill my feet. So the last thing I'm yet to try is this top. I need to have some sort of long sleevey options because I think I will get a bit cold in the UK summer because I'm from Australia. But this is a really cool one for music festivals and it kind of looks very 90s Y2K. I also did not try this top, which I think I'm definitely taking, and it goes really well with the green as well. I just didn't have a bra today. I did the washing, so. And did not try this long sleeve, which I'm pretty much taking because I'm gonna need a long sleeve, as well as a few other tops. We're going with a lot of white tees, things that are gonna blend, lots of basics. So now that I have a rough idea what these things look like, I'm gonna cut them all down and figure out exactly what's gonna fit perfectly in my backpack. Step 4 is to mix and match. You've narrowed down all your selection, so now you wanna like see what goes with what and make sure everything has a lot of wearable options. It's also a good point to decide which shoes you want. Obviously I said I'm taking the Jadens. I also want to take a pair of sandals, so I'm going either with the black Voss sandals or these ones, which are very much on trend right now, and I think I convinced myself I kind of want to bring them from what I was styling today, but they are a lot heavier than these bad boys. They kind of go with everything, no problem, but these are just stylish, so I need to decide which ones I'm going to bring. And honestly, I probably should bring a pair of sneakers, which would probably go with a few of these things, but I don't know. Do I want extra room in my bag to buy more shoes? Yes, I do. I just might need sneakers for all the house sits that I'm doing because I'll be dog walking. So I will decide if I need to pack these as well. So basically I ended up with 4 t-shirts, 2 singlets, 1 halter, 1 fancy white top, 1 long sleeve, a raincoat, a cardigan for a pop of colour, a vest, which I actually wear as a shirt, a festival vest, which I tried to wear on the trip, a jacket, overalls, jeans, a skirt, 3 hats, and I definitely could have just gone a cap and a bucket hat. And I went all brown with the shoes. We got the sandals and the Doc Marten boots, mainly for the festival. I went more basic because I just know I'm gonna find some really unique pieces when I'm traveling, so I needed some good bases. And then step 5 is to actually pack the bag and hope that it fits. Alrighty pals, it's weeks later, weeks being I have already been on the trip. Like I literally just got back. I can't be bothered wearing anything but sweatpants because it's friggin' cold back in Australia. Somehow if you leave in the middle of summer over in Europe, if you come back to Australia, it is disgustingly cold. So I'm stuck wearing winter clothes now, and maybe I'll have to do a winter styling video. But talking about what I took with me, I think I was pretty happy with everything I took. Although one weekend I was kind of sad because I was like, I feel like I've worn everything already, and it was just so cold in the UK. They had not subscribed to summer yet, so I kept wearing the same thing over and over just to stay warm. But by the end of the trip I think it was fine because I ended up thrifting a lot of things, which I will show you in another video. I could even have gone more minimal even. Could have taken less. Who knows, next time maybe I'll take nothing. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you're packing, and until next time, keep wondering.